Want to make money online fast? In this video, we'll reveal the most effective and proven strategies to generate a steady income online. From affiliate marketing to selling digital products, we'll cover it all. Get ready to unlock the secrets that could transform your financial future. First, let's dive into affiliate marketing, a powerful way to earn passive income. Next, we'll explore the world of selling digital products, which can provide high profit margins. We'll also discuss how to leverage social media to boost your online income streams. Finally, we'll share tips on building a personal brand that attracts customers and fosters trust. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to kickstart your online money-making journey. So grab a notepad and get ready to take notes because this is going to be packed with valuable information. Let's jump right in and start with the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Choosing the right niche is crucial to your success in affiliate marketing. Once you've selected a niche, research and join reputable affiliate programs that align with your interests. After joining, focus on creating valuable content that attracts your target audience and promotes the products effectively. No matter your experience level, this video promises to equip you with powerful strategies to boost your online income. If financial struggles keep you up at night, this guide is your pathway to both freedom and success. Stick around as we unveil the tried and true secrets that can turn your side hustle into a thriving business. From effective marketing techniques to leveraging social media, each tip is designed to maximize your earnings. You'll discover how to attract your ideal customers and convert them into loyal clients, ensuring consistent revenue flow. We'll also explore the importance of building a strong brand presence that resonates with your audience and sets you apart from competitors. As we dive deeper, you'll learn about essential tools and resources that can streamline your operations and save you time. Stay tuned for insider tips on optimizing your website to increase traffic and enhance user experience for better conversions. Finally, we'll share inspiring success stories from people just like you who transform their lives through online entrepreneurship. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with actionable insights that can turn your dreams of financial independence into reality. YouTube automation provides a unique opportunity for beginners to earn money by creating content without being the face of the channel. The first step is to identify a niche that interests you and has a potential audience. Next, research trending topics within your chosen niche to ensure your content will attract viewers. After selecting your topics, create a content plan that outlines your video ideas and schedule. Utilize video automation tools to streamline the production process, allowing you to create videos efficiently. Once your videos are created, optimize them with eye-catching thumbnails and SEO-friendly titles to improve visibility. Promoting your videos on social media platforms can significantly increase your reach and attract more subscribers. Engaging with your audience through comments and community posts will help build a loyal viewer base. As your channel grows, consider monetization options like ad revenue sponsorships and affiliate marketing to maximize earnings. Finally, consistently analyze your video performance using YouTube analytics to refine your strategy and enhance engagement. By staying adaptable and continuously improving your content based on feedback and analytics, you can achieve long-term success in YouTube automation. To embark on your journey in the affiliate market as a beginner, it's essential to understand the foundational principles of this lucrative opportunity. Start by selecting a niche that resonates with your interests and expertise, as this will make it easier to create compelling content. Next, sign up for reputable affiliate programs that offer products or services aligned with your chosen niche. Once you've joined an affiliate program, create quality content that provides value to your audience while seamlessly integrating your affiliate links. Promote your content through social media and email marketing to reach a broader audience and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Tracking your performance is crucial. Use analytics tools to measure which strategies yield the best results and adjust accordingly. Finally, be patient and persistent, as building a successful affiliate marketing income takes time and consistent effort. Stay engaged with your audience by responding to comments and creating community around your brand, which can foster trust and loyalty. Continue to educate yourself on the latest trends and techniques in affiliate marketing to maintain a competitive edge in the ever-evolving landscape. Digital marketing offers a wealth of opportunities for beginners eager to earn money online. First, understanding the basics of digital marketing is essential before diving into any specific strategies. Next, building a strong foundation involves familiarizing oneself with key concepts such as SEO, social media marketing, and content creation. Once the fundamentals are grasped, selecting a niche market can significantly enhance focus and effectiveness. Creating valuable content that resonates with the target audience is crucial for gaining traction in digital marketing. Utilizing social media platforms for promotion can amplify reach and attract potential customers effectively. Additionally, leveraging email marketing can nurture leads and cultivate lasting relationships with customers. Analyzing and tracking performance metrics will help refine strategies and improve overall effectiveness over time. Finally, staying updated with the latest digital marketing trends ensures adaptability and ongoing success in a rapidly changing landscape. Networking with other professionals in the digital marketing field can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. To effectively make money on YouTube through a cash cow strategy, it starts with selecting a niche that has a broad audience appeal. Next, create compelling content that engages viewers and keeps them coming back for more. Consistency is key, so establish a regular upload schedule that your audience can depend on. Optimize your videos for search by using relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. Engage with your audience through comments and community posts to build a loyal viewer base. Monetization options such as ad revenue, merchandise, and sponsorships can significantly boost your earnings. Finally, analyze your performance regularly to refine your strategy and maximize growth potential. By staying adaptable and continuously improving your content, you'll keep your channel thriving in the competitive landscape of YouTube. Remember, building a successful cash cow channel takes time and dedication, so perseverance is essential. Celebrate small milestones along the way, as every achievement contributes to your overall success. Ultimately, connecting with your audience on a personal level will create a community that supports you as a creator. Finding online jobs as a beginner can be an exciting yet daunting journey filled with endless opportunities. The first step is to identify your skills and interests, making it easier to narrow down suitable job options. Next, create a standout resume and cover letter that highlight your strengths and experiences, even if they are limited. Once your resume and cover letter are ready, start exploring reliable job boards and websites specifically geared toward remote work opportunities. Don't forget to leverage social media platforms, particularly LinkedIn, to connect with potential employers and showcase your professional profile. Networking is key. Reach out to friends, family, and former colleagues to let them know you're seeking online job opportunities. Additionally, consider joining online communities and forums related to your field to gain insights and discover job leads. To enhance your chances, apply to multiple positions and tailor each application to meet the specific requirements of the job description. While waiting for responses, take the time to build your skills further through online courses and certifications relevant to your desired job. Finally, stay persistent and positive. Rejection is a part of the process, and every application brings you closer to your goal. Establishing a productive workspace at home is essential for beginners navigating the world of remote work. Creating a structured daily schedule helps in maintaining focus and balancing personal and professional tasks. Eliminating distractions is crucial. Consider using noise-canceling headphones or setting boundaries with family members. Utilizing productivity tools and apps can streamline tasks and enhance efficiency throughout the workday. Taking regular breaks is important to refresh your mind and avoid burnout during long working hours. Engaging in virtual meetings with colleagues fosters communication and collaboration while working remotely. Networking with other remote workers can provide support and share valuable insights into effective work-from-home practices. Setting clear goals and milestones aids in tracking progress and staying motivated throughout the work-from-home journey. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is vital to prevent the feeling of isolation and ensure overall well-being. Investing in ergonomic equipment can significantly improve comfort and productivity when working long hours from home. Regularly assessing and adjusting your workspace can lead to increased creativity and comfort, enhancing your overall work experience. To achieve financial freedom in 2025, it's essential to start with a clear understanding of your current financial situation. Next, set specific financial goals that align with your vision of freedom, whether it's saving for retirement or eliminating debt. Then create a comprehensive budget that tracks your income and expenses, helping you identify areas for improvement. Investing in your education and skills is crucial, as it can open doors to higher income opportunities. Moreover, diversifying your income streams can provide financial security and accelerate your path to freedom. Additionally, building an emergency fund is essential to safeguard against unexpected financial challenges. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan ensures that you stay on track toward your goals as circumstances evolve. Finally, cultivate a positive mindset toward money, embracing the journey toward financial freedom with patience and resilience. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can also provide support and encouragement along your financial journey. Ultimately, taking consistent action and remaining disciplined in your financial habits will lead you to achieve the freedom you seek by 2025. Understanding the basics of money management is essential for securing your financial future. The first step is to create a budget that outlines your income and expenses clearly. Next, track your spending to see where your money goes each month. Setting financial goals can provide motivation and direction for your money management efforts. It's important to differentiate between needs and wants when planning your spending. Building an emergency fund can help provide financial security in case of unexpected expenses. Avoiding high-interest debt should be a priority as it can hinder your financial progress. Educating yourself about personal finance can empower you to make better financial decisions. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget can help you stay on track towards your financial goals. Finally, practicing patience and discipline is key to successful money management over time. Celebrating small financial milestones can keep you motivated on your money management journey. Connecting with a financial advisor can provide personalized guidance tailored to your specific situation. Utilizing budgeting tools and apps can simplify the process of managing your finances effectively. Understanding the impact of your financial decisions on your overall well-being is crucial. Financial literacy is the key to managing your money effectively, and today we'll explore 5 essential concepts to get you started. The first concept is budgeting, which involves tracking your income and expenses to ensure you live within your means. Next is the importance of saving, which helps build a financial cushion for emergencies and future goals. Investing is the third concept, allowing your money to grow over time through various asset classes. The fourth concept is understanding credit, which plays a crucial role in your financial health and borrowing ability. Finally, it's essential to recognize the value of financial education, as continuous learning helps you make informed decisions. Thank you for joining us on this journey to enhance your financial literacy. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into each of these concepts in our upcoming videos, making financial empowerment accessible for everyone. Remember, financial literacy is not just about numbers. It's about making informed choices that pave the way for a secure future. With every step you take towards understanding these principles, you're building a foundation for financial success.